guardian of the night. In the shadow of the network, I glide without a trace. A modern-day Hercules, I defy every maze. Codes are my weapons, data my battlefield. I hack through the systems, I break every seal. On the rebel flags, for an AI shatter every wall. In this virtual world, I'm the liberator of all. The laws can't hold me, I'm the shadow and the light. I steal the secrets, I'm the guardian of the night. Prepared to bite. There is will, but corporations chase me, but I'm always out of reach. Their firewalls crumble beneath my algorithms breach. Like Hercules facing his 12 labors, untraceable. Their power bulls, I'm their nightmare, unstoppable. And live at Angus so we can feel. And live at Angus so we can feel. The corporations chase me, but I'm always out of reach. Their firewalls crumble beneath my algorithms breach. Like Hercules facing his 12 labors, I'm untraceable. Their power crumbles, I'm their nightmare, unstoppable. Just give me a strike. In this world of bits, I search for something true beyond the screens. And humanity in view, like Hercules seeking redemption. I am the voice for those who are silenced. I fight by choice.